In this video, I'll show you how to filter a column in Google Sheets first. Open your Google Sheet and make sure your data has a header row. For example, you might have columns like name, department, status, and salary. Each column represents a category of information, and the header row helps Sheets know what each column means. Now click anywhere inside your data and go up to the top menu. Click on Data, then choose Create a Filter. You'll see small filter icons, little upside-down triangles, appear next to each column header. That means filters are now turned on for your entire header row. Even though filters appear on every column, you can decide which one you want to use. Let's say you want to filter the status column to show only active employees. Click on the filter icon in the status header. A drop-down list will appear, showing all the values in that column, like active, inactive, or on leave. Check only active and press OK. Now Google Sheets will automatically hide all the rows that don't match your selection, so you'll only see the active employees. Don't worry, the rest of your data is still there, just temporarily hidden. And that's how you can filter a column in Google Sheets. Quick, simple, and super useful for organizing your data efficiently.